Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you my latest project, the 3D printed jet engine. Its model is Trent 900 Rolls-Royce brand. So here it shows its component. I have used a common shaft to rotate it. So you can see here it's a 500 RPM motor, and this mount is also 3D printed. I'm gonna show you the components. So here, this white one is the diffuser cone. Yeah, and I have bolted it. I have used 3 mm Allen Hicks bolt, and this one showing the combustion chamber along with the low pressure turbine. Okay, so for the blades I have used silver PLA Salno branded, and I have used magnetic mount to fit it together. That's it. I've glued the rotor with the spools so that it stays in the place, and it has enough clearance to rotate. Here you can see, yeah. And you can see the orange PLA. It's a silk PLA, so I didn't have to color the outer casing, so it was a little bit fun to play with. And I'm going to show you the printing process and the designing process in Fusion 360. I have used Fusion 360. You can also design it into SolidWorks or other CAD softwares, but Fusion 360 I prefer it because of its organic UI. It's very much ergonomic. So here it is. I'm gonna provide the tutorials as soon as possible. Please stay tuned with this channel so you can learn more. I'm gonna show you how to design it, and I have modeled this from the blueprint of Rolls-Royce, and it was just a regular picture from Pinterest. You can also use it too. This length is around 63 centimeter,